I'm Claudia Dziobek. I'm an international economist with a long professional experience, practical experience, particularly in the financial industry. In the previous session, our study group on crypto assets led us to review a number of major studies of cryptocurrencies, and we noted the industry's magical appeal to some people. In the upcoming study group, we'll discuss first, of course, the spectacular failure of FTX. How could this happen? And what should be the policy response? Should the industry be more regulated? Or should it just be allowed to run its course? Is there anything left? And what about Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin perhaps an outlier in this? Is it a different animal? We'll talk about that. And also, what about applications of the technology that crypto assets claim to have developed for other purposes? For example, central bank digital currencies. Is there such a thing? Is there something in it? Financial inclusion, remittances for workers, or payment systems more generally across the world. So we'll put our knowledge together once again to better understand where the crypto world is headed. See you there.